Hi class, happy Cinco de Mayo. Let's begin the chapter 10 mastery problem today. Okay, there's 6 steps to this part, or to this problem. So the first step is to journalize the transaction. So here we go. We're going to use both the sales journal and the cash receipts journal. So the first transaction, March 3rd, sold merchandise on account to Trailer Stores. So we have to put in our sales journal, Trailer Stores, sale number 321. We have our sales credit of $32.48, and now we have to figure out the sales tax and the total amount, which is $227.36, and our accounts receivable debit would be $3,475.36. Okay, our next transaction, we're going down to the cash receipts journal. Received cash on account from Jenkins and Sanders. So March 4th. This would be receipt number 348. And we are going to have $945, which would be the accounts receivable credit, and a cash debit of $945. Okay, recorded cash and credit card sales on March 5th. So we're going to go down here into our cash receipts journal, and this is the one with the check mark. And we have to put in TS6. We have a sales credit of $14.85. We have a sales tax payable credit of $92.14 and a cash debit of $1577.14. Okay, next transaction, March 9th. We received cash on account from Luxury Suites. Okay, March 9th. Luxury Suites are $349. We have to take a discount, so $42.19 would be our accounts receivable credit, but now we have to take our sales discount of 2%. Let's go ahead and do that math. And that would be $84.38, and the cash we actually received would be $41.34.62. Okay, our next transaction, March 10th, sold merchandise on account to Southwestern University. Southwestern is exempt from sales tax. So that goes in our sales journal. March 10th, Southwestern University, 322, and that would be $14.35 and $14.35. Okay, March 12th, we received cash on account from Daniel Smith Promotions. March 12th, Daniel Smith Promotions, and that would be, I believe, receipt 350. And this was $14.71, and that's how much cash we received, since they don't pay. Okay, and the last transaction, March 16th, recorded cash and credit card sales. Check mark. TS7. Our sales credit is $1020.50. Our sales tax payable credit is $64.59, and our cash debit is $10.85.09. Okay, let's go ahead and grade this step. All right, good job. Next step. Now we have to total and prove the sales journal. So, March 30th, totals. Let's go ahead and get our totals. Our account receivable debit total is $49.10.36. Our sales credit total is $46.83. And we bring down our sales tax payable credit of $227.36. And now we have to prove the sales journal. So we bring that down, $49.10.36. Our sales credit of $46.83. And our sales tax payable credit of $227.36. We bring this total down, and we do the math here, which would be $49.10.36, and it adds up, and we grade step 2. Oh, I did it. I put the wrong date for March. Oh well. Everything else is right. Good job. Next step. Okay, now we have to total and prove the cash receipts journal. Okay, so let's put in the 31st this time. Totals. 0, 0. And now let's get our totals here. $66.35. $25.05.50. $156.73. Bring that down, $84.38. And our cash debit is $92.12.85. Now we're going to bring down our general debit total, which is 0. Our general credit total is 0. Accounts receivable credit is $66.35. Our sales credit is $25.05.50. Our sales tax payable credit is $156.73. Our sales discount debit is $84.38. And our cash debit is $92.12.85. And now we have to add up each column. $92.97.23. And our next total is, and the total for this is $92.97.23, which means our cash receipts journal proves. Now we have to do our cash proof. Our cash on hand at the beginning of the month was $65.44.15. The cash we received during the month is our cash debit, which is $92.12.85. So now we have to do the total of that, which is $15,757. We paid out, so our credit cash was $41.74.46. Our cash balance on hand is $11,582.54. And the balance on our next check stub is $11,582.54, which means that we have proved cash. All right, let's go ahead and grade step 3 and move on to step 4. We did really good there. Awesome. Okay, now we have to post to the accounts receivable ledger. So we have to do the sales journal as well as the cash receipts journal. So the first one we have to do is trailer stores. Okay, trailer stores. We have March 3rd. And our post ref, I believe, is S3. . And our debit would be $34.75.36. And our debit balance is just brought over $34.75.36. And we have to do our post ref of $150. Okay, now we have to go to Southwestern University, March 10th, S3, and we have to do a debit for $14.35. Our debit balance will be $23.83. And we go up and we do our post ref of $140. Okay, now we're in the cash receipts journal. Jenkins and Sanders, March 4th. So they paid us. So this would be CR3. Yep. And since they paid us, it's going to be a credit. So it is $945. And their new debit balance would be $904. And we go up and we do our post ref of $120. This is just a check mark. Luxury Suites, March 9th. CR3, $42.19. And they have a zero balance. So we go back up here and do our post ref of $130. Daniel Smith Promotions, March 12th. CR3, a credit of $14.71. And our new debit balance will be $1644.08. And account number 110. A check mark here. Okay, and now we get to grade step 4. All right, we got all of our points. Good job again. Go on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to post to the general ledger. So the first thing we have to do is post our accounts receivable debit. So we're going to go down here to accounts receivable, and that's going to be the 31st. And that is going to be S3. And our debit, total debit here would be $49.10.36. Our new balance would be $15,041.44. 11:30. So we go up and we post that. Now we have to do a sales credit of $46.83. And our new sales balance will be $28,842.15. And we go up and we post $41.10 up here. Sales tax payable credit for $227.36. And our new balance for that would be $716.54. Go up and put $21.20 there. Okay, now we're going to come down and we're going to do our accounts payable credit, accounts receivable credit, my bad. So this would be CR3, and that would be $66.35. 15041. We're subtracting, since it's a different columns, 8406.44. We're going to go up here. We're going to put 1130. And stay tuned. We will pick up with sales credit in our next video.